Hey everybody, I'm back. This time I got a 57 Chevy Hot Wheels. I've turned it into a death car. There's the front of it there. I 3D printed some tires and wheels for it. It just really needed something beefy on it and make it look kind of tough. I made the decal that's on the roof. I painted the pipes in the engine some Citadel Typus corrosion because there shouldn't be anything pretty on this car. Detailed the lights on the back. Made some side pipes put on it. Dusted it just a little bit so it didn't look like a fresh paint job. Just something that popped in my head the other night. I thought it looked pretty cool. Instead of something all shiny and pretty, something all kind of blacked out and menacing. So that's the latest for the collection. I hope everybody likes it. I'm thinking about putting maybe a little red paint on the front, simulate some blood. You know, because it is a possessed car, so catch you on the road and it will run you down. So probably should have a little evidence of that on the front end. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.